In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset your computer to factory settings with remove everything as the option. So let's get started. Click on the start button and here you have to click on the settings icon, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and click on settings. Here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on system, and then you have to look for the option that is recovery, reset, advanced startup, and go back. And here you'll find the option reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on reset PC. So here you have two options: keep my files, removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. But sometimes there are uh, issues or problems that come without apps, so that will not fix the issue. And you also have this option. So this is the option that we need to do. Since we are going for this video, we are going to reset our Windows to factory settings with remove everything as the option. So remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. Click on that. But before you can go on with the option remove all, you have to make sure that you are going to back up all your personal files and data by using a USB. Okay, make sure to back up everything. That is something that you need to remember. Before you can go on with this remove everything option, make sure to back up everything on your Windows and click on that. And click on the you have two options. You have cloud download or local reinstall. So if you go with cloud download, make sure you are connected to an internet connection. But if you go with local reinstall, then you just need to simply click on that. So this will remove app and files, and then delete all files only from the Windows drive and reinstall Windows from this device. Click on the next button, and that will start to reset your PC, and you just need to wait for the process to be done, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.